In this video, I will show you how to pay with Apple Pay on eBay. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see, I'm currently here on eBay. I'm logged into my account. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to my basket. You can see I've got some stuff that I've added to my basket. Now, if I come across and click on go to checkout, you're going to see the various payment methods offered. So you can see we've got things like to pay with a credit or debit card, PayPal and Google Pay. However, at the moment, there's no way to do it with Apple Pay, but I have found a way on how to do this. So stay tuned and I'll tell you how to do this step by step. So if we scroll down all the way to the bottom, you'll see you can actually add vouchers. Now, this is what we're going to be doing. So what you actually want to do is come across to a website which is called Dundle.com. If you click onto the top, so you've got some options up here, and what you want to do is click onto gift cards. Now, what you can see is a list of different gift cards that they offer, and one of these is eBay. So if you click onto eBay, and what you're going to want to do first is select your country. So you can see at the moment this is for the US. So what you can do is come up to here, and if you click onto this country box, you can actually choose a country. So you can see these are the countries that are available for this. So you've got the United States, Australia or Canada. At the moment, this is the only countries that's offered. If I try and type in something like United Kingdom, you can see we get nothing come up. So for the purpose of this, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it selected as the United States, and you can see we got $10, $25, $50 and $100. So what you want to do is select the gift card that you want to go for. So for my case, I'm just going to select the top one, $10, and then you want to click the Buy Now button. Next, what you want to do is just go ahead and click onto the checkout button, and then what you want to do is enter your email address, and the reason being is what they're going to do is send the gift code to your email address. So make sure it's one you can access, and you just want to pop that in here, and then go ahead and click the blue checkout button. So now you're going to choose how to pay for your gift card, and you can see we got a number of different options, and you can see down the page we actually have Apple Pay. So what you want to do is select Apple Pay, click onto checkout. So just a quick note that when you do select Apple Pay, you want to make sure you do this on a Apple device. So whether that's like an iPhone or an iMac or MacBook, something like that. Because I'm using a Windows PC, when I click onto checkout, it's actually going to give me an error message. Now this is fine, it's just literally because I'm using Windows. So you can see at the top, it's in German, I believe, or something, but basically it's just letting me know that in order to do this, I need to use an Apple device and pay for this via the Safari browser. But of course, once you've done that and you've done this via an Apple device, what's going to happen is that will go through, and what will happen is they'll email your gift card across to the email address that you entered. And what you can then do is come back to eBay to your checkout, and where it says down here add vouchers, you can enter your gift card code into here, click apply, and that will pay for your order with Apple Pay. So that's how you do it, and I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If this did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.